Yo guys, I'm on Mars, dude. Enjoying that crazy 1/3 gravity.
Ooh, look at that. These winds reach 100 kilometers per hour. I was like, I'm gonna fly.
But Mars said, relax, bro. Atmosphere too weak. You ain't going anywhere.
Yo guys, welcome to day 2 on Mars. Talking about Mars, whew, it's smaller than Earth, but bigger than Mercury. This is the 4th planet from the sun, and the air here, nearly 95% carbon dioxide, bro. Breathing here without a suit, it's like hell, bro.
Yo guys, welcome to day 3 on Mars. Oh my God, guys, Marsquake. I need to get to a safe space now. Sorry guys, no vlog yesterday. There was a quake here on Mars and one of my cameras literally broke. Bro, exploring Mars is not easy. Where do I torture myself next? Comment fast. Yo guys, I'm surviving a night on Mars. Average temp here is Nate is at 63 degrees Celsius. Bro, that's colder than my crush's replies. Look at this night, it drops to minus 140 degrees Celsius.
Bro, even ghosts be like, nah man, I'm not haunting this planet. Why am I here again?
Yo guys, till now we've survived Mars air, crazy winds, a Mars quake, and that freezer night. And guess what? More nightmares coming. Yo guys, day 4 on Mars. Look up, see those 2 moons? Yeah, Mars got dual stress sources. This big one, Phobos. Just like work pressure and deadlines always hovering over me. And that tiny one, Deimos?
Yeah, that's my salary at month end. Small, gone before you even blink. Bro, even Mars moons are disrespecting my bank account.
Yo guys, day 5 on Mars. A day here is 24.6 hours. So yeah, Mars gives me 40 extra minutes of suffering every single day. Who made this planetal schedule? Yo guys, welcome to day 6 on Mars. Look at that, Olympus Mons, the biggest volcano in the solar system. Just like my girlfriend, small height, maximum attitude. Bro, if she sees this, I'm staying on Mars forever. Yo guys, day 7 on Mars. Valles Marineris have the biggest canyon in the solar system.
Bro, it's deeper than my ex's emotional damage and wider than the gap between my...
687 days for 1 Mars year. Bro, if I stay here that long, my girlfriend will forget I even existed.
Yo guys, welcome to day 8 on Mars. Mars is red because of iron oxide, basically rust everywhere.
Just like that red flag when my girlfriend stares at me if I accidentally look at another girl.